The Makerzoid Coding Robot Kit 200 offers an impressive 201 building set, allowing children to craft a wide variety of robotic creations using over 400 blocks. With its Scratch Junior integration, this kit provides an accessible entry into coding, making it an ideal tool for young children to explore programming fundamentals. The set's innovative building instructions, available in both two-dimensional and three-dimensional formats, significantly enhance children's spatial imagination and logical thinking skills. Equipped with a robust Bluetooth motor, this science kit offers multiple modes of control, turning the learning process into an exciting educational journey. The kit's design includes a user-friendly app interface, enabling kids to navigate and create their own animated stories and games with ease. Included with the kit are 36 free video courses that provide an excellent resource for developing logical thinking, concentration, and creative skills in children.